Lego train track can be expensive, right? I'm going to show you how to make regular track out of regular Lego bricks. Not by dropping them. First, you place the bricks on a base plate. You then take thin pieces and position them between the studs, like such. Make sure to have the studs facing outwards, or the train wheels will catch. You then see that the train fits perfectly like regular track. You can then add more and make long straight sections of track out of regular Lego bricks. But there is a problem which you may have noticed. Regular track will not line up correctly. So when switching between brick-made track and regular track, you will have to just line up manually and make the train jump across. Here's an example. You see in slow motion how the train jumps onto the homemade track. This was carefully lined up to ensure a smooth transfer between track types. I hope this quick Lego hack can help you to improve your Lego train network. Thanks for watching.